Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is actually going to be a vlog of what I did for my 30th birthday. I actually went to Los Angeles, California, have never been in my life at all, and oh my gosh, I have nothing but wonderful things to say. But I actually flew out from Memphis, Tennessee. My sister actually lives in Memphis, Tennessee. So I said, why not? Let's just go ahead, meet her in Memphis, Tennessee, catch up, spend some time together, and yeah. We actually left on Sunday, May the 1st, and I know this is probably not going to be posted until like the end of May just because I've been so busy. But just being in California, it feels as if you're just in a whole nother part of like the world. It is just so breathtaking. It's just so beautiful. Oh my God, I just have nothing but wonderful things to just say about the state. And it's crazy because we're actually already planning a trip for next year. We're planning to go for June, I want to say. Yeah, I think we're actually planning for another week in June, but yes. And during our time there, I know we were so busy, and I wish I actually could have been able to record even more than what I got. I know some of the places we went to were like Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills, Venice Beach. We went to outlets, did way too much of shopping. It was just incredible. And I will say, it was just such a beautiful day. Like, not just the day that, you know, we went to all of these different places, but the entire week, it was no rain in sight. And I was just like, oh my God. And surprisingly, I underestimated the weather for California. I did not know at the beginning of May. It was on the bit of like the chillier side. So yeah, like I know I packed like dresses and shorts. And yeah, I kind of wished I had to pack like jeans and leggings, but oh my God, it still was just, it was awesome. That's all I can say. It was awesome. And that's a wrap. I definitely hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I do apologize once again that I did not get more video footage, but it was such a wonderful trip. Like I said, Los Angeles, California, incredible. California, just the state alone, beautiful. But thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. And until next time, take care and bye.